JD Cap 26 for tips and repairs, and we got a robot here that I just found it was broken, and the hand broke off, and I don't know what kind of glue they used here, but just didn't hold. So we're gonna use a little Gorilla Grill glue and put a dot in there. It's kind of like model making. Like that. It looks like it goes in like this. Get it like that. Let's see. It'll take a few minutes to set. And this one winds up on the side and has wheels that go around. And got it a long time ago. Back then, they were like in the 90s, they were, I would say, $25 maybe to buy, or $18. Now, on the internet, on eBay, they're like um, 99 to $89 to buy. So it's a nice little thing. I collect robots too. Not a lot. I finished out my collection. They get, um, it takes up a lot of space. I don't have a lot of space to do that. So I've been doing the models, making kits. So you can fix stuff like this. So if you see something broken, you can make a hand or whatever and fix it up. And um, have it for your collection. So thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And I hope you're having a great day. Please have a great day. Try to. Somebody says something to you, just let it go, And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.